Hi guys, we're back with this week's video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be all about the work we did to connect the water from the borehole to the inside of the house so we would have running water in our taps. Stay tuned. Also, you're going to want to stick around because we have a surprise for you at the end of the video. So before we get started, I'd like to remind you guys to please like, comment, share, as well as subscribe. We truly appreciate it. That being said, let's get down to business. At this point, last week, we had shown you how we got the borehole set up, water's pumping from beneath the ground, and it's running, as you can see in this video. Next step is for us to get a water tank, which would store all the water, as well as a hydrophore that would ensure the water pressure is appropriate so that water from the tank goes into the house and we have running water in our taps. Like I've mentioned before, the aim of my channel is just to encourage people to take that step, take that leap of faith, and go and build back home, be it in Congo like me, or Kenya, or South Africa, or Ghana, just to take on that challenge. It isn't so difficult. It's just a little more challenging just because you have to encounter things like boreholes and, providing things that we don't really have to think about here in North America or Europe, but you'll be able to make it. And this is when they went shopping for the tank for us. This is what we'll be taking home. We bought it in Lubumbashi. I think I should note that this tank will not be on the ground forever. We'll be building a structure above the ground, and that's why we'll be needing the hydrophore to ease the flow of water into the house. Look at the size of that tank. This is the pump that we bought just so we could facilitate the pumping of the water through the house with the appropriate amount of pressure. As you can see right now, the tank is propped on some bricks just while we get everything sorted so we can start building the structure that will hold it quite above the ground. Like we mentioned, it would be just to facilitate the flow of water. Water flows easier when it is way above the ground, and that's why we need powerful pumps to pump from the ground up and from the tank into the house. We really didn't want to let too much time pass between getting the borehole set up and finishing the step with the tank and the hydrofor and the connections to the house, just so we didn't occur any damage to the pipes. That would be a setback that we did not want to deal with. Before I forget, I would like to thank my niece's husband, my nephew, for his assistance during the specific stage of the project. He ensured that everything happened seamlessly, and I'm grateful to him for that. That'll be it from us today. Thank you for watching once again. And no, we didn't forget, the surprise is coming up. It's a sneak peek of Lubumbashi through the eyes of my niece's twin boys. Please enjoy our beautiful city. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be in the know and support our little community. Bye, guys.
Maman, mais ils vont couper même.
Oui, toi tu prends ça. On n'aimait pas.
Oui, c'est ça que je dis. Je cherche une belle maison, mais dans ce moment. Pourquoi si un nouvel, maman, si un nouvel, on sera pas sur YouTube. Bon, si on sera sur YouTube.
Mais aussi, mais cette maison elle est belle.
Ah ouais. Et je sais pas aussi faire. Pourquoi? Oh, c'est pas bien. Filmer. Et on va filmer les inconnus. Pourquoi? Parce que j'ai pas envie qu'ils soient sur YouTube. Non, ça va, raison. Même si on fait comment, les Congos est toujours moche.
Toi, tu as quitté le Congo pour dire le Congo.
Oh, qu'il appelle mes soucis. Deuxième problème. Parce que tu as un problème. Cette fois-ci, je vais mettre moi ici. n'est pas seulement les rappeler pour les défaire. Si le guide, J'ai voulu.
La route du Golfe.
La route du Golfe.
On est en train d'aller vers Tchamalali.
On est en train d'aller vers Tchamalali. Si vous le voyez bien, il y a un centre de colonel quelque part. Et vous voyez pas un peu ici. Vous voyez ici, il y aura chicken, il y aura tout ça que vous voulez, tout ça que vous voyez, tout ça il y aura. De Lubumbashi, et la route du Golfe à Tchamalali. Ok, nous et aussi, je dis pas. Et aussi, je sais ce qu'il dit. Et il y a des maisons moins chères, de $100 presque, et aussi de $10.